Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Crystal and today we are going to do a quick unboxing video. I purchased some stuff from Flipping Fabulous Kansas back on Black Friday. Yes, I am just now opening this pack because I have been waiting to have time to create a video to show you all these beautiful items that I got. So let's get to it. Check out this super cute fun packaging. Doesn't this make you smile? All right, now ripping into this. I can't wait to see what, I don't even remember what I bought. Look at these beautiful transfers. Check that out. I cannot wait to use those. Those are a Kasha design. And this paper, I have a special project that I will be using this for. And this is a redesign by Prima, and this is a fiber paper. So I'm gonna give this a try again. I've used this before. I had a hard time with it, but I'm gonna give it another go. More fiber paper from Redesign with Prima, and you can see it. There's these beautiful oranges, I believe they're tangerines or oranges or something like that. Really cute. Can't wait to use that one either. And some more paper. I will be using this on a video coming up very soon. This one is also from Redesign with Prima. Also a fiber paper. Some stencils. I love these. These look like a hand painted design. These are also from Redesign with Prima. And another transfer set, also Redesign with Prima. Check that out, gorgeous. Really excited to use that. And then here is some gilding wax, metallic wax, redesigned by Prima brand in the color called Honey. And some ink. This color is called Olive. I've never tried a colored ink before. I only have black on hand, so I'm excited to try this one out as well. Again, I purchased this all from Flippin' Fabulous KS, I believe that's Kansas, Flippin' Fabulous Kansas, on their Etsy shop, and they were having some amazing sales for Black Friday. Just couldn't pass on that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I am so excited to use this stuff, and I hope you're just as excited as I am. So until the next video, bye.